Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into a super exciting topic. We're going to talk about something that is changing the world of engineering. I'm talking about artificial intelligence, or AI. Think of AI as a very, very smart helper. It is like having a genius friend who can help you with your toughest problems. For engineers, this is a huge deal. They build the world around us, phones in our hands, bridges we cross every day. Their work is super important, but it can also be very hard. AI is here to make their jobs easier, faster, and even more creative. It's not about replacing engineers. It's about giving them superpowers. So why is everyone talking about AI in engineering right now, in 2025? The problems engineers face are getting bigger and more complex. Faster computers, stronger buildings, cleaner energy. To do all this, engineers need the best tools available. AI tools can look at tons of information, much more than a human ever could. They can find patterns, spot mistakes before they happen, suggest new ideas. This frees engineers from repetitive tasks so they can invent and create. It is a real game changer. Imagine an engineer designing a new car. In the old days, they had to draw everything by hand and do thousands of calculations. It could take months or years. Now, with AI, they can just describe the car they want. The AI can create many designs in just a few minutes. The AI can test these designs in a virtual world. Which design is strongest? Which is safest? Which is most fuel efficient? This saves time and money. All right, it's time for the main event. Let's meet our contenders in the 2025 AI Tool Showdown for engineers. These are the big names that everyone is talking about. They are the tools that are making a real difference in engineering departments all over the world. First up, we have Code Companion. As its name suggests, this tool is a programmer's best friend. It is designed to help software engineers write, debug, and optimize their code. Think of it as a super smart assistant that knows almost every programming language and can help you write flawless software much faster than you could on your own. It's a true powerhouse for anyone who works with code. Next in the ring, we have Design Dreamer. This one is for the visual thinkers, the creators, the architects, and the mechanical engineers. Design Dreamer is all about turning ideas into beautiful and functional three-dimensional models. You can describe a product, a building, or a machine part, and this AI will generate detailed designs for you. Our third and final contender is Simusphere. This AI tool is the master of simulation and analysis. It is built for engineers who need to test their designs under extreme conditions. For example, a civil engineer can use it to see how a bridge would hold up during an earthquake. A mechanical engineer can use it to test the airflow over a new airplane wing. So, there you have it. Our three champions. Let's get ready to rumble and dive deeper into our first tool.